cafes. The legislation's in. I assume under your understanding that they're banned in about 90 days, essentially, from operating the way they're operating right now. How do you handle that in 90 days? What's your office going to be doing about internet cafes?
Well, it's a little more complicated than that because, as you know, the internet cafe industry has said that they're going to do everything they can to get this on the ballot. If they get the appropriate signatures, it would mean that the law would not go into effect in 90 days. So we're going to see what happens, whether they get those signatures or do not get those signatures. Assuming that for the next 90 days, we're going to continue to enforce the law. We have investigations that are going on, and we are available to help local law enforcement to enforce the law. After 90 days, we will see if the law actually does, in fact, go into effect. It's going to be relatively easy to enforce, and I would anticipate we will be able to, these will be shut down fairly quickly. If the law does not go into effect, then it's the status quo, which is what it is today, and we'll simply continue to enforce the current law.
If it does take effect, how do you enforce it? Do you help local law enforcement shut these places down? Is that how that works?
We will help local law enforcement. Local law enforcement will find it fairly easy to enforce because they will simply show up and make a determination whether or not money is being paid out. Money is being paid out is illegal. So, you know, they're not going to all go away overnight. I know that, but we'll get rid of them pretty quick.
And the gist of the legislation is it's just not going to be profitable to operate the way they've been operating. Is that?
In all likelihood, for most of them, it's not going to be profitable. When you take the money out of it, the money payout, that's what people go for. So it's probably most of them are going to go away pretty quickly. We'll see.